BLACKVIEW BV9000, and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick About Phone. Here just keep tapping on build number if you are not a developer now, so just keep tapping until you see a notification that you are a developer. So let's go back, and then here under the system we will see the option developer options, the new tab, which haven't been here earlier. And now you can perform a various of options, various of tests and check-in over here in this mode. You can deactivate and activate this mode here then. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.